Welcome to my channel. How to clear the toner counter on any Brother printer. Step 1. Turn on your Brother printer. Make sure your Brother printer is powered on and shows the ready status on the display. Wait until it finishes starting up before moving to the next step. Step 2. Open the front cover. Open the printer's front cover to access the toner cartridge and drum unit. Leave the cover open while performing the toner counter reset. Step 3. Open the reset menu. Press the clear, back, menu, or OK button, depending on your printer model. On touchscreen models, a toner reset menu may appear automatically after opening the front cover. Step 4. Select the toner reset option. Use the arrow buttons or touchscreen to find the toner reset or replace toner option. If your printer has color cartridges, select the correct toner color. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Press OK, yes, or reset to confirm that you want to clear the toner counter. The printer will begin updating the toner information. Step 6. Wait for the reset to complete. Allow the printer a few seconds to finish the reset process. Do not close the front cover or turn off the printer during this step. Step 7. Close the front cover. After the reset is complete, close the front cover firmly until it clicks into place. The printer should return to the ready screen. Step 8. Print a test page. Print a test page to check whether the replace toner or low toner message has disappeared. This confirms that the toner counter has been reset successfully. Step 9. Reinstall the toner if needed. If the toner warning is still displayed, remove the toner cartridge, gently shake it from side to side, reinstall it correctly, and repeat the reset process. Step 10. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Check the display to make sure the toner counter has been cleared and the printer is ready to use. Thanks for watching.